All right, everybody, welcome to Little Shot Breaks number 25. Tonight we bring you 16-17 Upper Deck SP Authentic 4-box break. This is coming from a fresh 8-box inner case. And tonight's event will be a team random where names and teams will be randomized. And then we will assign you a team based on those events. So here we go. Spots for this break were sold on our Little Shot Breaks Facebook group. As you can see here, all 30 spots were sold either by the spot or through Raz's. For any new members that are interested, come join us on Little Shot Breaks Facebook group. Check us out. All of our social media links are at the bottom of the screen, our Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. And be sure to follow us on Breakers TV to keep up with our latest breaks, prizes, and giveaways. So here we go. We're going to randomize the participants 3 times. So we have Sherry Reinhardt on top and Alex Guptill on the bottom. So we're going to randomize this list 3 times. And then we're going to put you into our spreadsheet. Okay, here we go. 1. So we now have Sherry. All right, we have spot number 1, Tyler DeWeer. Spot number 30, Daniel Demers. 2. We have Daniel Demers in spot number 1 and Sherry Reinhardt spot number 30. And the last and final random, we have Jonathan Brooks in spot number 1 and Alex Guptill in spot number 30. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this list. As you can tell, there were 30 items in this list, and this list has been randomized 3 times. So go ahead and copy and paste this. Okay, next up, we're going to randomize the 30 teams. So we have Anaheim on top. All the way up to the bottom with Winnipeg. Again, randomizing this 3 times. Here we go. 1. We have Winnipeg in the top spot, Boston in spot number 30. 2. San Jose on top, St. Louis on the bottom. And we've randomized this list twice with 30 items in this list. And the final last random, here we go, 3. We have the New York Rangers on top and the Carolina Hurricanes on the bottom. We have randomized this list 3 times, folks, with 30 items in this list. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this and pair it up with the team participants. And we're going to go over our new team assignments. So to the left side of your screen, you will see the new team assignments, so which we will go over quickly just to discuss who has what, and then we will offer a few minutes for trading. So here we go. In spot number 1, we have Jonathan Brooks with the New York Rangers. Spot number 2, Sherry Reinhardt with Detroit. Spot 3, Jonathan Brooks with San Jose. Spot 4, Alex Guptill with Florida. Spot 21, Jason Newton with Columbus. Spot 8, sorry, let's do this over again. So spot 1, Jonathan Brooks with the Rangers. Spot 2, Sherry with Detroit. Spot 3, Jonathan with San Jose. Spot 4, Alex with Florida. Spot 5, Jason with Columbus. Spot 6, Jonathan with Arizona. Spot 7, Tyler DeWeer with Winnipeg. Spot 8, Alex Guptill with Chicago. Spot 9, Dave Morris with Boston. Spot 10, Sal DiNunzio with Pittsburgh. Spot 11, Sherry Reinhardt with Nashville. Spot 12, Daniel Demers with Washington. Spot 13, Sal DiNunzio with Dallas. Spot 19, Dave Morris with New Jersey. Spot 15, Sherry Reinhardt with Montreal. Spot 16, Alex Guptill with Edmonton. Spot 17, Justin Feder with Ottawa. Spot 18, Alex Guptill with St. Louis. Spot 19, Dave Morris with LA. Spot 20, Daniel Demers with Tampa Bay. Spot 21, Justin Feder with Vancouver. Spot 22, Sherry Reinhardt with Anaheim. Spot 23, Tyler DeWeer with New York Islanders. Spot 24, Daniel Demers with Colorado. Spot 25, Alex Guptill with Toronto. Spot 26, Sal DiNunzio with Minnesota. Spot 27, Adam Coombs with Calgary. Spot 28, Sherry Reinhardt with Philadelphia. Spot 29, Adam Coombs with Buffalo. And the last spot 30, Alex Gupta with Carolina. So that there, folks, is your new team assignments for this break. We're going to offer a few minutes for trading for anybody in the room. Go ahead and begin trade talks now. Daniel, good to see you, buddy. Glad you can make it. So we've randomized the lists, and we've assigned every participant a team based on the randoms. So Daniel, you have Colorado and Tampa Bay. So this spreadsheet will remain up during the duration of the break, in case people do show up late. So I'll give you guys a couple more minutes for trade talks. So unfortunately, we are missing a few participants in tonight's break that are not available tonight. So all right, is anybody interested or any active trades going on right now? Alex, I'm not even in the break, and I'm going to offer you $10 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. How does that sound right now, Alex? Okay, then unfortunately, Alex, I'm out, man. I could go to like $12 Canadian, and that's my final offer. And maybe a free pop at the shop. So like the boxes tonight are coming from a fresh sealed 8-box inner, which we have in front of us right here. Okay, no harm done. All right, anybody else with any active trade talks at all? And for anybody new to the channel and wishes to join us on Breakers TV, please do so by clicking the little follow button under your screen, and then and I'll let you know when we're on next. As well as all our social media links are located below your screen, our Facebook group, Twitter, YouTube, and so on. So Uncle Dan, Daniel has, anybody wants Tampa Bay? Tampa Bay up for grabs. Anybody out there want Tampa? All right. The Avalanche of Colorado are also available. So we have Tampa Bay and Colorado up for trade. Sorry, Sherry, I tried. I said maybe Alex will also send me some chocolates this Christmas. Okay, folks, we're gonna close the trade chat right now. Gonna close her down. Okay, here we go. So welcome to break number 25, guys and girls. Today we're doing 16-17 SP Authentic Hockey. It's going to be a 4-box break, which we're taking from a fresh inner case. So here we go. So this is a sealed 8-box inner. So nothing going on there except the good stuff. So we're going to open up this 8-box inner. We're going to mark the boxes as 1 and 2. And then we're going to randomize it to figure out which column we're using. Might not work as easy as I think it's going to work because my desk is not that big, but it wasn't too bad. Okay, so there we have our columns. This is going to be column 1. It's going to be column 2. So we will determine which column we are using via random.org. Column 1, column 2. Okay, back to random.org we go. We're going to randomize this 3 times. So here we have spots 1 and 2. All right, we're going to randomize this list 3 times, folks. Figure out what boxes we're using. So here we go. 1. Spot 1 on top. 2. Spot 2 on top. And 3. All right, so after 3 randomization processes, we go with column number 1. So column number 1 is what we're using for tonight's breaks, folks. All right, so boxes 2 are going to be moved out of the way. So we're using 4 box number 1s for tonight's breaks. All right. Daniel, we love you too, man. All right, so there are our 4 boxes. All right, I'm going to set up our video quality here. Make sure that we have good video for this break. All right, you guys let me know. Are we good? Doing good for video, guys? Looks good on my end. Give me the A-OK on your end. I think that's a winning spot right there. Okie dokie, that's what we're staying with. Perfect. Okay, for anybody joining us, welcome to break number 25, 16-17 SP Authentic Hockey. Here we go. Box number 1. Like I was saying earlier, if for some reason break just chops out on us, please be patient and we'll hop on to Facebook Live. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but so we have some advertising going on here. Those are available at the end of the break for $5 US. All right, empty box, guys. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1. I'll try my hardest, Dave. All right, here we go, guys. Pack 1, box 1. We start off for the Philadelphia Flyers. Silver Skates of Travis Konecny. Travis Konecny, Flyers, Silver Skates. Next up, we have Authentic Moments for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Sidney Crosby. These are my favorite. The Chicago Blackhawks Spectrum, Patrick Kane. These are the, as I call them, scratch my backs. Spectrum for the Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Yeah, Daniel, it took us like, I want to say weeks to kind of mastermind this breaking thing with the quality and the audio and the graphics and so on. So we played around with it for endless hours before we were happy with what we got. So we appreciate the kind words. All right, next up for the Winnipeg Jets, Authentic Moments, Patrick Laine. What's happening, Paul? Welcome aboard, buddy. Hey, I'm trying, man. All right, so that'll be like a double whammy. Make everybody happy. We start off with, for the Dallas Stars, Future Watch rookie autograph, 310 of 999 of Esa Lindell. Esa Lindell going up to the Dallas Stars. Who's got Dallas? Sal. Nice hit, Sal. Next up, another Future Watch rookie auto, number 651 of 999 for the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome. Going out to Jonathan Brooks. Dylan Strome. And we have a Sign of the Times from 50 and 16 SP Authentic for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. Sean Monahan, Sign of the Times for the Flames. Going out to Calgary. Going out to Adam Coombs. Nice hit, Adam. Next up, we have a Future Watch Spectrum Level 1 for the Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. And these are also a scratch my back redemption. We also have Upper Deck update base for the Avalanche, Patrick Weirko. I'm probably butchering his name, but somebody for the Colorado Avalanche. Next up, we have season highlights, Upper Deck base for the Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. For the Edmonton Oilers, Young Guns update, Matthew Benning for the Oilers. Going out to Ed Money, Alex. This box needs a fourth autograph to make some noise for sure. Upper Deck update base for the Islanders, Dennis Seidenberg for the Islanders. We have Silver Skates for the Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor for the Jets. Young Guns for the Avalanche, A.J. Greer. A.J. Greer for the Avalanche, going out to Daniel. We have an Authentic Moments for the Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Base update, Marcus Granlund for the Canucks. So these cards will ship, folks. I know they're just base cards, but they're sort of an insert in this product, so we will consider them as hits and we'll ship them away. So no problem on that part. Silver Skates for the Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Thanks everybody joining. Welcome to break number 25. We have an Authentic Moments for the Toronto Maple Leafs. For the Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. Going to Alex Guptill. And finish off box number 1 with an Upper Deck base for the Avalanche of Renee Bourque. All right, box 1 in the books. All right, on to box number 2. Here we go. Box 1 wasn't super fantastic, but hit that Strome. Again, a little advertising. Dave, we were $150 a box Canadian in store. That might have gone up. Empty box. So Dave, like I say, it might have gone up. I have to check the invoice to see if the product's gone up, but my guess it likely has. So I'll have to get you an exact number. All right, here we go. Box 2, pack 1. All right, we start off with, right away, a Future Watch rookie auto numbered 978 of 999 of Troy Stetcher for the Vancouver Canucks. That's a pretty cute little autograph. At least it's somewhat legible. Uh-oh. Here we go, guys. We haven't had one of these yet, but I think I know what this is. I'm pretty sure this is a black Spectrum. So good luck to everybody. Here we go. We have, this is beautiful, a Future Watch rookie autograph black for the Arizona Coyotes of Anthony DeAngelo. Anthony DeAngelo, Future Watch black auto. So just to give you the heads up, so who owns Arizona? Jonathan. So it does have a little bit of a nick on the bottom left corner, so which is visible. It's out of the pack that way. So just give you a heads up on it. Still a very, very nice and a very rare card. Let's just let's take a second here, just pop that in a one touch. Yeah, like I said, of all the packs we've seen, it's the first black Spectrum that we've seen. That's Arizona with a nice hit. All right, let's continue on. Next up, Future Watch Spectrum Level 1 for the Winnipeg Jets, Josh Morrissey. We have a Silver Skates for the Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Mantha. I'm not sure. Was that pack 3, Paul? I have to watch the video on that. You might have called that actually. Yeah, like don't let your brother know we got that. Authentic Moments for the Florida Panthers of Jaromir Jagr. We have an Upper Deck update for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Sam Gagner. Next up, we have Authentic Moments for the New York Rangers of Jimmy Vesey. Jimmy Vesey, Authentic Moments. Not 100% sure, Sherry. Like I said, I'm sure like a quick eBay search might give us an idea, but like I said, I'm not sure how tough they are. So, all right, we have an update for the Ottawa Senators, Mike Condon. I know last year's were maybe 5 print run or so. I'm not sure if they've ever released the true print runs on those. So, all right, Spectrum for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Again, that's a part of the Scratch My Back redemption. Silver Skates for the Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. So that's it was a Future Watch black. I'm not sure what the proper. It's the black variation. We have a Young Guns for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Lucas Sedlock. Lucas Sedlock. Young Guns for the Jackets. Now we have an Authentic Moments. I always get this one confused, so it's going out to the Montreal Canadiens of PK Subban. So it has him and Yager teamed up, but going to Montreal. It confuses me because he's wearing a Panthers jersey. So, all right, Upper Deck update for the Hurricanes of Victor Stahlberg. Jonathan is one of our in-store guys, so I'm sure, and he's not here tonight, so I'm sure he'll be third of the morning. All right, Upper Deck base season highlights. Patrick Laine. Next up, Young Guns for the Flyers, Roman Lyubimov. Again, I might be pronouncing his name totally wrong, but there you go for the Flyers. We have an Authentic Moments for the Sharks, Joe Thornton. Upper Deck base update for the Blues, Carter Hutton. In the last pack, box number 2. Finish off with the Silver Skates for the Maple Leafs, William Nylander. All right, box 2 in the books. A little better, I'd say. So box 2 highlight is the Future Watch, Anthony D'Angelo Black. Going out to Jonathan Brooks. So super tough autograph to hit. All right, continuing on, break number 25. Box number 3. So I think that was the first one that we've seen. So all right, let's try not to get a paper cut here, folks. That would be awful. All right, some advertising. Nothing like getting a bloodied Auston Matthews. Empty box. All right, box number 3. Here we go. Starting off with an Upper Deck base update for the Hurricanes, Victor Stahlberg. The Toronto Maple Leafs, Silver Skates, Mitch Marner. For anybody new dropping by, wants to check out our social media links, they can do so at the bottom of the screen. Be sure to follow us on Breakers TV. All right, a Spectrum for the Nashville Predators of PK Subban. Another scratch off redemption. for the Edmonton Oilers, Silver Skates, Connor McDavid. Packs are not cooperating tonight. All right, we have an authentic moments for the Rangers again. Jimmy Vesey. I think we've seen him before as well. Upper Deck update for the Senators, Mike Condon. For the New York Rangers, Upper Deck update, Brandon Peary going to the Rangers. Let's see, it can only get better from here. For New York Rangers, Silver Skates of Jimmy Vesey. For the Rangers, Jonathan Brooks. Got to see some ink on some of these guys. Authentic moments for the Oilers, Connor McDavid. That'd be a nice signed card. We have an Upper Deck update for the Dallas Stars of Lori Korpikoski. For the Stars, Lori Korpikoski. So we should probably check that to make sure it's not an exclusive, and it's not. Silver Skates for the Islanders, John Tavares. For the Islanders, we have an authentic moments for the Montreal Canadiens of Carey Price from Montreal. Like I said, it could only get better from here, folks. All right, we start off with Future Watch Rookie Auto, numbered 196 of 999 for Minnesota Wild of Joel Eriksson Ek. Minnesota Wild. Going out to Sal. Next up, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Future Watch Rookie Auto, numbered 581 of 999 of Tom Kuhnhackl. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, going out to Sal again. I think Sal's cleaning house on the Future Watch Rookie Autos. All right, next up, Future Watch Spectrum Level 2 for the Coyotes of Christian Dvorak. Going out to Jonathan Brooks again. Seems like a nice Washington, not Washington, a nice Arizona break. And we have, cool, we have an Upper Deck, that's a good pack. We have an Upper Deck update, high gloss, numbered 1 of 10 for the New York Rangers of Brandon Peary. Go to the New York Rangers. This is going out to Jonathan Brooks, who's killing this break. Followed by Young Guns for the Pittsburgh Penguins. This guy's on fire. Of Jake Gensel. Going out to Sal again. It's the Sal Jonathan show tonight. Very nice hit, guys. Authentic moments for the Sharks. Joe Thornton. We have one last pack left in box number 3. To finish off with an Upper Deck base update for the St. Louis Blues of Carter Hutton. It would have been sick if that was a Gensel high gloss. It would have been like $1,000 card. All right. Finishing off break number 25, box number 4. Just going to move these cards out of the way here. Give me a second. All right, some advertising. Now for anybody in the room here, are you guys interested in maybe empty box? You guys interested in doing the other half case, like the other 4 boxes in a break, or are you guys all SP Authentic out right now? Here we go. Upper Deck update. Sam Gagner for the Blue Jackets. So we'll see how this box goes. But I mean, like, aside from that D'Angelo, there's been no real big money cards, no patch, no nothing yet. So we'll see how it finishes off. We have a base season highlights for the Anaheim Ducks of Ryan Getzlaf. Upper Deck Young Guns for the Capitals, Jacob Vrana. Jacob Vrana Young Guns for the Capitals. All right, these are kind of cool. We have Great White North autograph of Tyler Toffoli. Team Canada Great White North auto, Tyler Toffoli. So this will be going to his current team. So somebody enlighten me, this is still Kings, right? Tyler Toffoli, Great White North. All right, this is not bad. Another one of these guys. An Upper Deck exclusives numbered 53 of 100. Upper Deck update for the Avalanche, Patrick Weirko. Exclusives out of 100 for the Avalanche. And we have an authentic moments for the Oilers of Wayne Gretzky. Thanks, Paul. Upper Deck base for the Panthers. This one I'm going to butcher so bad. Of Colton Sevier. Savoie. It's this guy for the Florida Panthers. You got it, guys. That's the only way of presenting that guy that way. All right, another Authentic Moments. This is going out to Montreal, based on the logo on the back of the card. PK Subban, Montreal. All right, CVR. Thanks once again, Paul. A base update for the Blackhawks. Brian Campbell. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, Silver Skates, Zach Werenski. Spectrum for the Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. Another scratch my back redemption. Going out to Dallas. For the Winnipeg Jets, Silver Skates of Patrick Laine. We have an Authentic Moments for the Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Silver Skates for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Authentic Moments for the New York Rangers of Henrik Lundqvist. King Henrik. Wow, looks like it can only get better from here. An Upper Deck base for the Boston Bruins of Tim Schaller. Tim Schaller, update base for the Bruins. We have for the Carolina Hurricanes, just double checking, yeah. For the Hurricanes, Silver Skates of Sebastian Aho. All right, 2 packs left, guys. Good luck. All right, here's one of the Future Watch autos. We have a Future Watch rookie auto numbered 205 out of 999 for the San Jose Sharks of Timo Meier. Timo Meier, Future Watch rookie auto for the Sharks. The final and last pack in break number 25. We finish off with, here we go, good luck. Numbered 139 out of 999, Future Watch rookie auto for the Buffalo Sabres of Justin Bailey. Justin Bailey for the Sabres. Going out to Adam. All right, and there you have it, folks. thank you very much for participating in in group break number 25. We appreciate your support. Another one in the books. Thank you very much, and have a good night, guys and girls.